Now let's look at this figure 23-18, and we're dealing with the optional calculation for a restaurant. Now there are given loads that we have to, really add all the loads together. So the lighting loads is 16,450. Receptacle loads is 15,300. Special loads is 95,015, and the heating and AC loads is 40,000. Our motor loads is 6,880.9 VA. Now, when we apply 220.88 and add all these VA ratings together, we come up with 173,573.9 VA. Now, the application of the demand selected from table 220.88 would be 80% based upon using this method. So we would take 173,573.9 VA times 80%, and we come up with a demand load of 138,859 VA. So the demand load in VA in the solution is 138,859 VA, and that's what this illustration is illustrating to the user of the NEC.